How to stop a smoke alarm from chirping in under 2 minutes. So we're good. It's 11 o'clock at night and the smoke alarm is, I don't know, chirping, making that stupid obnoxious sound that they make. Of course, it's always at night. There you go, you heard it. Okay. Rotate it, pull it down. Now unplug it. So we're pulling it down. It's hardwired, which means it has constant power to it. But we need batteries because it's like a law to have a battery backup in case the circuit breaker tripped during a fire and the power shut off. Chirp per minute and repeated green LED flashes. Replace battery. Okay, we're gonna replace the batteries. So you just slide the tray open. And then these things you're gonna push on, and that's good. But you're gonna push on those and flip it around. That pops the battery up so you can slide it out.
Okay.
Yeah, throw them on the floor. Shove it down in and then do the other one. Make sure that's the other way, yeah.
Or else.
Welcome. First alert carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Basement programmed.
It's pretty
To
annoying.
change location, press and hold test button now.
So I don't want to test it right now. You run the risk of it triggering all the others in the house and everybody's in bed. So we're just going to plug it in and make sure the light turns green. Look at the sides and kind of put it up inside there. And twist it to locks in place. One more time, yeah. Exactly. Great, now look, you can see the light is solid green. So we're good. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.